Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do an unboxing. Okay, so this company called HippieCrafters.com sent me these to do a review on, and they sent me these stretch canvas. With the stretch canvas, I could go on and open this now because this is the beginning of the video. But I will be doing a separate video showing y'all what I create from the stretch canvas. So let's read what the canvas is. Black stretch canvas. It's for oils, tempers, and acrylic paint. So y'all know my #1 paint I like to use is acrylic. I got oils and I don't got tempers, but one day I will get some of those. So it's 100% cotton. Triple prime canvas, so it's already primed. Some people still, when they say prime, some people still prime it. And it's pine wood frame. So let's open it up and see. And these are 8x10s. Oops, y'all, I'm sorry about picking up. Let me get this. So each one is individually packed, wrapped, which is dope. So I got a cool idea. I don't know if y'all can see that because the light. I got a cool idea on how I'm going, what I'm going to draw on these that y'all going to love. So look out for that video. I just want to take this off just to fill the canvas. Oh, okay. Yeah, I got a really cool idea on how I want to, what I'm going to draw on these. To be honest, I never worked on black canvas. I have a whole bunch of canvas around here, all kind of sizes. But it's going to be cool to see how that black background work out. All right, y'all. So let me move this to the side and bring this. So in this video, y'all going to see me create a dope pair of earrings using this paint right here. And this is Hippie Crafters acrylic paint set. There's 20 colors in here. This is professional artist grade. I love the colors. Might create something similar. I love these colors. I love the black and white that's popping out on there. And I love these because it gives you like that 70s, 60s, 70s hippie type style. I love their packaging. All right, y'all. So let's check out what's up in here. Okay, so right here, this is a thank you note. We hope you love our acrylic paint set as much as we do. If our paints do not meet your expectations, simply email us for a full refund. And then they got the stretch canvas. They got the canvas board. They got some artist tape, which I want to try that next. And they got epoxy and resin, which I want to try their brand. I do mess with epoxy, but I like to be outside messing with it. And so cool little card. Ooh, look at here. Ooh, look at here. So let me see if on the box it got, like, you know how some boxes that have like a display of all colors. Let me see. Picking it up, y'all, to look. Yeah, so it don't have like the colors, but it tells you all the colors that's in here. Titanium white, orange yellow, and all that. I'm finna show y'all them. So it does have the colors. You could use it indoor, outdoor. Scuff resistant. Water-based, non-toxic. All right. So let's look at them. I'm going to put the link in the description box. I like this size. It says it's a 2. Oh, this is one of my favorite colors. This ultramarine blue. It says it's a 2 fluid ounce, but it looks fatter than an average bottle of paint. Let me grab an average bottle of paint. See, it's shorter and fatter. This one wider and this one fatter. Okay. All right. And then it got this scarlet. This is one of my favorite colors right here. Orange yellow. Really? That look more like a burnt orange. But you know, every company colors look different. Got the pale blue. Vernon. I don't think I ever used this color, but I didn't use something that look like this color. Got the white. Right, y'all. My video cut off, so I came back the next day to finish this video. Right, so this is acrylic paint, and this is titanium white, yellow, lemon yellow. This is pretty. Did I show y'all this one? Yeah, I showed y'all that one. Burnt umber. That's pretty. I love my browns, my melanin. Burnt sienna. This is one of my favorite colors, and to be honest, it looks like a burnt sienna. Some paints from another company, and theirs didn't really look like a burnt sienna. Theirs look more, they have more of a pinkish tone. Burnt sienna have more of a reddish tone. This is a mild yellow. This is pretty. It reminds me of a saffron yellow. It's pretty. Okay. What is this one? Raw umber and burnt umber. Okay. This like more of a grayish brown. And I could do like some elder pieces with this color. Then we got the Mars black. The emerald green. Rose. That's pretty. It's kind of like a violet and rose. A yellow tree, if I'm pronouncing that right. Kind of look like more like a mustard. And then we got a champagne. Nice. I got this color in another brand, but I don't know if they call it champagne. And this is a violet. This is a pale green. It kind of looked like a Kelly green. Did I look at this green? Emerald green. If I looked at that one. And then we got a cold gray, which you could use it as a silver if you want to. Did I do this one? I don't know if they brands that they don't have like metallics like gold and silver. But you know what? Let me open one and see the texture of the paint. And then I'm going to get over here and paint something really cool. Alright, take that off. Ooh, ooh. So let's see. Okay. Alright. Y'all know how people do makeup? Okay. It kind of reminds me of more like it's a premium paint. It goes really on smooth. So it kind of reminds me of like a folk art. It's a little thick. It is a professional paint. So we're gonna go over here and let's paint something, y'all.